Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Feni Kurniasi and I want to present an article by Visnu Kakanier et al. About language intervention in bilingual children with developmental language disorder, a systematic review. For the first one is background of the study. Developmental language disorder affect a child's ability to acquire and use language effectively. In recent years, the global increase in bilingualism has posed challenges for speech-language pathologies, particularly when evidence-based researches for bilingual children with DLD are limited. Although previous studies have explored language impairments in bilingual, there is a lack of systematic research on interventions tailored for this group. The concern is further compounded by inconsistent results in the existing literature and an absence of clear guidelines for effective intervention across various language domains. For the purpose of the article, are to evaluate the evidence on intervention for bilingual children with DLD across 6 language domains and non-linguistic cognitive skills. Second is also to examine whether gains in one language transfer to the other or cross-language transfer. And for the methodology, the authors conducted a systematic review following PRISMA guidelines. 5 databases were searched in CINAHL, Scopus, PsycInfo, Procast, and Science Direct. Data extraction focused on study info, participants, and intervention design. And a quality assessment tool, or QAT, was used to evaluate study reliability, and included studies use mixed method, but the review method itself is qualitative, and no new statistical analysis were conducted. Focus was on synthesizing findings across studies. For the findings, vocabulary was the most frequently studied domain, 9 out of 14 studies showing consistent improvement post-intervention. Other domains, such as phonology, morphosyntax, and literacy, had very limited evidence. No studies addresses pragmatics. Intervention involving cognates were more effective in promoting cross-language transfer. Some studies show transfer of skills from L1 to L2, especially when intervention used the home language. And non-linguistic cognitive interventions also show potential benefits in language development. For the discussion, the study highlights a critical gap in intervention research for bilingual children with DLD, particularly in areas beyond vocabulary. While vocabulary showed positive outcomes, other important skills such as narrative ability, literacy, and syntax are under research. The interactive nature of bilingual language system suggests that effective intervention must consider both language, especially the home language or L1. The article calls for a shift away from English-only models, encouraging inclusive, culturally responsive therapy that acknowledge bilingual children's full linguistic repertoire. This has broader implications for social linguistics, especially in challenging monolingual bias, supporting language equity, and promoting inclusive education policies. Okay, that's for my presentation. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.